The self-locking BioLock engineering maintains constant compression of the tendon against the bone, promoting its natural remodeling and eliminating the risk of reoperation associated with traditional techniques. The science behind the most advanced biomechanics in tendon fixation. Bone preservation. Its double-row design requires only 2 perforations, preserving the density, structure, and integrity of the bone. BioLock system. Its biosecurity mechanism secures the tissue firmly and precisely, reducing the risk of strangulation and facilitating biological integration. BioWasher technology. Based on mechanical engineering principles, it distributes the load evenly, generating controlled compressive forces that increase stability and tear resistance. Reconstructive biomechanics. Its bioresorbable technology promotes safe remodeling, restoring the natural strength of the tendon early. Safe graft system. Its design allows for precise arthroscopic graft insertion, achieving guided, simple, and predictable placement. Surgical efficiency. BioLock technology enables surgeons to provide safer and more reliable repairs, offering patients a fast, strong, and secure recovery. ZipE BioLock, the first next-generation biosolution for tendon repair. Join the revolution.